If you like adding bananas to smoothies, you might want to rethink that. There is some intriguing research that suggests that this practice may not be as healthy as was once thought. So here's the study I'm referring to, which has gotten a good amount of publicity. About 20 healthy guys are recruited into this clinical trial, and basically what happened is this: they gave the guys two different types of smoothies. One was a mixed berry smoothie and the other one was a banana smoothie. And this next part is important. To both smoothies, they added a known amount of epigadican flavonols in the form of cocoa because they wanted to see if there were differences in how the flavonols were absorbed from the two different types of smoothies. Here's how both smoothies compared to each other, and notice that they used a little bit less epicatechin in the fruit smoothie because fruit also contains these healthy compounds as well, so they wanted to take that into consideration. And recall that flavonols are a type of polyphenol or phytonutrient found in a variety of different plants. There's many different types of flavonols out there, and research suggests that higher intakes of these polyphenol antioxidant plant nutrients is associated with lower risk of cancer, heart disease, and other chronic health problems. Okay, so what happened? So after taking blood tests for several hours, it's revealed that metabolites of these flavonolic compounds increased in the guys who used the mixed berry smoothie, and it also increased in those who used a flavonol supplement too. However, these levels were significantly lower when the guys drank a banana smoothie. Here's a graph that they show, and as you can see, the levels of these phenolic metabolites are increased when people consumed the berry smoothie and when they used a flavonol supplement. However, they're significantly lower when the guys drank the banana smoothie. How much lower? A lot. As much as 84% reduction in the metabolites of flavonols after drinking the banana smoothie. In theory, this means that if you were to add a banana to your fruit and veggie smoothie, maybe you might absorb only as much as, say, 16% of these phenolic compounds. They also took one step further. When they consumed both smoothies at the same time, the levels of these phenolic metabolites actually decreased by 37%, which further indicates that there's something in bananas that is inhibiting our absorption of these polyphenol compounds. Okay, so what might be going on here? Well, it turns out that bananas are particularly high in an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase, which, as the name suggests, is an enzyme that breaks down polyphenols such as epigadican, EGCG, quercetin, and a bunch of others. Now, polyphenol oxidase is found in other foods as well. However, it's really high in bananas. If you are concerned with absorbing the most amount of phytonutrients as possible, then you might want to separate your smoothies from eating bananas by a few hours.